Hi, Ashpi's Amazing World is back with another DIY video. In Diwali, we really love to decorate our home with diyas, flowers and other gorgeous decorations. So, here are some quick and beautiful DIYs to light up your Diwali. We are going to use these pista shells to make our first craft. Cut out a circular hardboard and keep it for later use. Now, let's color these shells. Let them dry after coloring. After drying, arrange them on the circular cardboard as I am doing using glue. And place a candle in the center. I am using tea light candle. Take a plain diya. For the first diya, I am using red as base color. After drying the base color, highlight the details using golden acrylic paint. For this diya, I used white as base color. Border the upper part of diya using golden glitter. I am using fabric glue, but you can also use Fevicol. I have these multicolor stone stickers which I am using to decorate the diya. Then I highlighted the details using red. And we are done with our second diya. Let's move to the third one. For this one, I colored the outer part with red, yellow and green. Base color is yellow and the details are done with red. Now let's decorate our last diya. Its base color is maroon or chocolate color. I am using these white pearl stickers to decorate it. Detailing it with golden acrylic. This craft I am using an old steel plate. To color it, first add some Fevicol over the plate and then color it using red acrylic. Then I coated it with golden glitter. Stick a lace to its sides using Fevicol or fabric glue. Stick a gorgeous decor piece in the center. Stick ball chains like this and it's done. As you could see, I reused an old plate here. You can also make these kind of beautiful things from waste materials and celebrate your Diwali. This way, you will be celebrating a green Diwali. To make this door hanging, take a thick ribbon of any color as long as the length of your door. Stick a lace to the bottom of the ribbon as shown. This is how it looks. Take an A6 size color paper and fold the paper as we used to fold paper fans. After folding, cut it from the center. Glue the two cut pieces together. And staple them as shown to give them the shape of half circle. Make more like these of different colors. And attach the fans to the back of the ribbon like this. Make small hangings using pom-pom as I am doing. Here I am using white and golden beads alternatively. And this is how the beaded hanging looks. Make more like this and stick them between the gaps as shown. This is how the final look is. For this craft, I am using a cracked glass. Colored the glass randomly using different colors. This is the final look. I left the bottom part because of its crystallized look. Light a tea light candle inside the glass and it looks amazing. I hope these DIYs will help you to decorate your house beautifully. Comment below which of the crafts you are going to try this Diwali and make sure to like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video.